Locating and using content on Explana.com is quick and easy, providing for ease of content creation, sharing content, and collaborative learning. Browsing for content is simple. You can click on the Browse link at the top of any screen. You can browse content within the following categories: All Content, Premium Content, and My Favorites. You can also change the number of content items displayed on a page by using the Show 50, 100, or 150 filter, or sort the list of content items by latest or most viewed. You can filter the content by subject, type, and tags, all available in the panel on the left side of the page. You can also move from page to page using navigational arrow controls located on the bottom right corner of the browse screen. Searching for content is fast and easy. You can begin a general search for content across the Explana.com platform by entering a keyword or phrase into the search box at the top of any page. If you want to search for content or information specific to a particular tab, enter your search terms in the search box within the content area with the words "Find in this area" in the text field. This contextual search will be conducted only on the content contained within one of these tabs: All Content, Premium Content, or My Favorites. The following asset or content types are supported in Explana.com: notes, documents, video, audio, images, web pages, and flashcards. The system also supports the following file formats: JPEGs, GIFs, and PNGs for images. For documents, we support .doc, .docx, .xls, .xlsx, PowerPoints, and PPTX. For audio, we support MP3s, WMA files, and WAV files. For video file formats, we support WMVs, .3GPs, .AVIs, .MOVs, MP4s, MPEGs, FLVs, and MKV files. Video and audio files uploaded to Explana.com are handled via YouTube and require the user to be logged into his or her YouTube account. In order to view content in Explana.com, click on the thumbnail image or title for a specific asset or album. This will load the page that contains your selected content, along with information about it and access to related items from the Explana.com library. The viewing experience for different content types varies according to the file format accessed. For example, audio and video will be displayed in our media player. Flashcards are displayed as a stack of cards, etc. If you've selected an album, you can navigate through the individual pieces of its content collection by clicking on the individual page thumbnail images beneath the main content viewing area. As you view pages for individual assets or albums in Explana.com, the system will also suggest related content on the right side of your screen. You can click on this related content to view it. Any user who has registered with Explana.com has the privilege of using the content created by other Explana.com community members in the following ways, depending on the viewing or use terms set by the creator of the content. View only. You may only view the content on its specific content page. Subscribe. Content marked subscribe means that you can subscribe to or add the content to your personal content library on your home page. If you subscribe to content, you will see any updates to that content, but you cannot modify the content in any way. Copy and edit. If the content permissions are set to copy and edit, you can copy the content, creating your own personal copy of it, and modify or use it however you like. Copying an asset, however, means that you will not receive any content updates made by the original author. The content you own can be shared in 3 ways. First, email. On the page for any piece of content, simply click on the Share link at the top of the content viewing area. This will give you the option of sharing the permalink or static URL for that content via email. Just type in the email address of the intended recipient and click on Send. Note, you can also access the permalink for content by clicking on the Asset Information icon in the top right corner of the content viewing area. 2. Facebook. You can add your Facebook login information during registration or at the moment you decide to share Explana.com content with your Facebook friends. When you click on the Send button, a link to the selected content will be posted on your Facebook wall and be viewable by your Facebook friends. Third is Twitter. You can add your Twitter login information during registration or at the moment you decide to share Explana.com content with your Twitter followers. When you click on the Send button, a link to the content will be posted to your Twitter stream to be viewed by all on Twitter. The Content Toolbar appears on content pages and gives you access to the following functions or features. Some, such as copy and edit and subscribe, only appear if the content has certain permissions associated with it. Rate. You must be logged in to rate content. You can create your rating by choosing 1 to 5 stars, with 5 being the highest rating. Copy and edit, if it's available. You must be logged in to copy and edit content. Selecting this option will create your own copy of the content you're viewing and then present you with editing controls such as a rich text editor. The content will also be added to your My Content space on your homepage. Subscribe. You must be logged in to subscribe to content. This action will add the content to your My Content space on your homepage. You will see any updates to subscribed content as they are made by its creator. Favorite. You must also be logged in order to mark content as favorite. This will add the content you're viewing to your personal favorites list, allowing for quick and easy access to the selected content in the future. Flag. You must be logged in to flag content in Explana.com. You can flag content that you feel is objectionable or that you feel infringes upon your own rights. Flagged content will remain marked as such until the Explana.com content team has addressed your objection and you have been notified. Share. You must be logged in to be able to share content in Explana.com. You can share content via email, Facebook, or Twitter. Edit, delete, and add to album. If you're the owner of an asset or album, the page for that content will have additional options. The Edit link allows you to go into edit mode and modify the content. You can also delete a piece of content or add it to an existing or new album.